Sup, it's Sydney. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I chill the heck out. And this is honestly a real life example because I woke up today extremely stressed. And then I followed all these steps and now I'm doing a lot better. Obviously I'd never try and hide anything from you guys, so I would like to say that this video is #spons by BioClarity. But if you guys have been on my channel for a while, you would know that I don't really do sponsorships that often. I think my last one was like 3 years ago. So I really genuinely believe in all of these products and I've been using them and I just really like them. So that's why I agreed to do it, and I would only do stuff if I thought that it would benefit you guys. If you find yourself being interested in BioClarity at all after watching this video, I will have them linked down below, of course. And also they did this really cool thing where they made me like a little separate page with all the kind of stuff that I like to use and stuff that's good for people that are in college. So if you want to check that out, that'll be down below as well. Let's get started. Yeah. If I look a little bit terrifying to you, it's probably because I went on a streak this week where over the course of 3 nights I got a total of 15 hours of sleep, so we're not looking too good. In high school I was somehow blessed with like pretty nice skin and I didn't really break out ever, and it was kind of all just like looking nice. And then college hit and I don't know if it's the stress or the air, or the stress, it's probably the stress, but my skin hasn't been so clear. Recently I've started to prioritize skincare again, so I started using BioClarity, and I really think that it's starting to get my skin back on track and return to its former high school glow instead of the hot college mess. Minus the hot part. I'm going to be using the BioClarity 3-step clear skin routine. They have 2 routines. This one is more for if you have like oily skin, if you're more acne prone, and I have like weirdly oily skin on my face, but then all of my other skin is super dry, so it's a little bit confusing. The other routine is called the Essentials routine, and that's typically for if you have drier skin, so we really just have something for everyone. Step 1 is the cleanser, which has cucumber, green tea, chamomile, all that good stuff in it. And this kind of just removes all the dirt and grime and nastiness from your face. Like, I don't know where your face has been. You just kind of, you know, lather it up. Get it all going. Let it do its thing. Imagine if I left my eyebrows like that. Yikes. Step numero dos is the treat step, and I don't know why I said that in Spanish because I had an exam in Spanish last night and it's really stressing me out, and I don't know why I just brought that up again. You basically just apply this in small amounts wherever there's like a little pimple or maybe some acne or something. I know whenever people use spot treatments, sometimes they get worried that it's gonna be really harsh on their skin, but BioClarity uses natural plant-based ingredients, so you don't really have to worry about that. The last step is the Restore step, which has our buddy Floralux in it, and Floralux has chlorophyll in it, which I would be able to explain a lot better if I didn't do so poorly in biology sophomore year. Chlorophyll can be found in plants, and I think it absorbs light. Do you know what? It doesn't matter what it does for plants. What it does for skin is replenish it. Peasant boy has returned. This stuff is green, so it looks pretty whack, but it rubs right on into your skin, so once that's all rubbed in, the 3-step process is complete. Just a reminder again that I have the hookup for you guys, so if you want 15% off of your entire order, you know what's up. Whenever I'm stressed, I really just like to treat my skin right, so I also put on a face mask. I feel like that's pretty common, but this is the BioClarity clarifying mask, and this has definitely helped me just kind of chill out because I have not been doing well. Like, school and life and all that has just really caught up to me and I'm crumpling, but it's fine. I think the face I made right after I said it's fine really accentuates the fact that it's not fine. This is an add-on, like it's not a part of the 3-step routine, but it's probably my favorite thing ever just because I love face masks so much and this is becoming one of my favorite. Part 100 of Sydney needs her hair up but is a dunce. You know, you're gonna look like Shrek for a little bit, which I'm personally into, but if for some reason you're not, like if you're Lord Farquaad or something, don't worry because the green all washes off. Normally I would like clean my room or something with a face mask on, but my roommates kind of overtook my room, which is another reason I'm really stressed because I can't film in there and because I can't clean my room, but everything is great. Everything will be fine. It's starting to harden, so I've lost my ability to smile. Actually, I lost that ability a long time ago when I got stressed. It's been like 20 minutes and this baby is all dry, so time to take her off. Squeaky clean and no more peasant boy, because I think we can all agree that that was not a good look for me. This is pretty much the only day that I can film this week, and my roommate was supposed to have class for like 2 or so hours today, so I was just gonna film then. And then she skipped class and fell asleep in the room, and I don't want to disturb her. So my high-key stressed brain was like, what can I do? And Cassie was like, you can film in my room. So welcome to Cassie's. The next thing that I like to do in an attempt to pipe the heck down is my makeup, because I've discovered that whenever I feel disheveled, if I also look disheveled, it's not a good combo for me. If any of you have ever watched me do my makeup before, you would know there isn't really much to it, so we're just gonna fly through this bad boy. Step 1, you gotta curl the lashes. This is vital because my lashes like to point straight down naturally, and that's not the vibe I'm going for. I feel like I like doing my makeup whenever I'm stressed because I do it whenever there isn't a time crunch, like I'm not rushing to get ready for class or something, so I can really just focus on the craft. That sounds dumb because I suck at makeup, but I feel like there's just something relaxing about it, you know? Okay, well that's not relaxing. It really be like that sometimes. Today's motto. My life motto. Then I like to fill in my eyebrows. I know I'm not that great at doing it. Plenty of you have pointed that out to me. That sounded passive aggressive, but honestly it's not. I know that I'm bad at applying makeup, like this is not news. And my thing with makeup is if I have fun doing it and I think that it makes me look a little bit better, then I don't really care if it's not the right way or if it's off some of the days, because I really just try my best. I feel like I definitely do my makeup better whenever I have more time. I feel like normally you guys see me and I look like kind of a mess, and that's because all of my classes are before my roommates. Like she doesn't get up until 5 minutes before her class, and her classes start later anyways. So I basically have to get ready in the dark with just like my desk lamp. Sometimes I don't encounter a mirror until like 2 p.m. and I'm like, wow, why didn't anyone tell me? I look terrible. What is up with this brow? Like, bro, what are you doing? I like to throw on some chapstick. This is the Glossier Birthday Bomb.com. I got it for my birthday. It's the bomb. And just like that, our mediocre makeup is complete. I still have a lot of stuff to get done, but my roommate is still in my room dead asleep, so I think I'm gonna get ice cream. Ice cream just consistently makes you feel better. You could be in the worst mood ever, and then you have ice cream, and you're like, well, life isn't pointless, at least. I think I'm just gonna get a fat pint of ice cream and eat it. Yeah, let's do it. Eat it. Don't you tell me you're full, just eat it. Eat it. Cracking open a cold one by myself. How do lactose intolerant people deal with stress? You poor souls. Another thing you can do while you're eating ice cream is figure out what exactly is stressing you out in your life. Also, the way that I just adjusted my hands makes me seem like I'm a therapist listening to your problems, but in reality, I'm the one with the problems. One of my problems is that yesterday I took an exam in Spanish, and I took it in the testing center. After your exam, it's supposed to give you your score on the multiple choice section, and mine did not, which caused me to freak out because I don't know if I submitted it wrong or what exactly happened. So what can I do about it? Well, not much, but I emailed my teacher and she said to email the testing center, so I might have to do that. Hopefully that will alleviate some of the stress of not knowing what my score is. I mean, if my score is good, because if it's not good, then the stress will just come right on back. That's college. Also, calculus has been kind of stressing me out recently. What I can do about that is...
You can study, I guess.
That's really all I can do. So those are just a few of the reasons why I haven't been doing so well recently. But I'm doing well right now because I just ate ice cream, so everything's gonna be okay. Next step. Some people swear by running to de-stress, but I don't like that kind of physical exercise. It makes me want to die. However, I have found that ab workouts make me feel better about myself. This doesn't exactly cancel out the hundreds of calories that I just ate from ice cream, but it tricks my mind into thinking that it does, so. You get the idea.
The last part of this video was going to be me using these massage chairs, but then they were in front of everyone and it stressed me out, so I didn't do that, and instead I looked at fish. If you don't like fish, I don't like you, basically.
Look at all those chickens!
That, my Zen friends, was the whole video. I hope we're a lot more chill now. I still, deep down, am not, but I'm doing better than I was before, in case you were wondering. Once again, if you want to see what BioClarity is all about, I will have them linked down below along with my discount code for 15% off, because we love a good steal. Thank you guys in advance for being so supportive. I know sometimes sponsored messages can be received the wrong way, but I really just want to let you guys know that I would never do something like that to you guys. Like, I actually support all of these products 100%. If you want to follow me on Instagram and Twitter, you can follow me right here. Okay, that's it. Bye!
Swallows.